Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one primary Google Pay account to keep and one secondary account to merge into it. Why? Google stores payments and activity per account. Consolidating prevents duplicate charges and reduces confusion. Once chosen, export or screenshot recent receipts and note important cards. Make sure to unlink any redundant cards from the secondary account. This avoids conflicts during transfer. Now sign into both accounts on the same device so you can compare settings and start the controlled merge process immediately. Next, methodically move payment methods, passes, and loyalty programs into your selected primary account. You do this primarily by adding cards manually or using Google Pay's add card flow. Automatic transfers rarely combine accounts. For loyalty programs, export codes or use screenshots, then re-add them to the primary account. This preserves points. If two-factor or device verification blocks adding a method, temporarily relax settings on the secondary account, then resecure them after the transfer. To finish, confirm all cards, passes, and pending transactions appear in your primary account and complete a small test payment to ensure tokens and verification work. Once satisfied, remove saved data from the secondary account and either close it or repurpose it for other use. If you encounter errors, like missing transactions or failed tokenization, clear the Google Pay app cache, update the app, or remove and re-add the card. If problems persist, contact Google support with screenshots and timestamps for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.